Want to host your website online for free? Let's do it using GitHub Pages, so in just a few steps. First, go to GitHub and create a new repository. Name it whatever you want, for example, My Website. Make sure it's public, add a README file and click Create Repository. Now upload your website files like index.html, style.css, or anything else. Drag and drop your files. Make sure that the index.html is not present in any folder. This is how the GitHub hosting works. Once all your files are uploaded, press Commit Changes. Now go to the repo's Settings. Scroll to Pages. Under Branch heading, select Main Branch and Root folder. Click Save. That's it. Now wait a few seconds. Keep on refreshing your page until the website link shows up. And here you go. You can now share this link with anyone. And that's how you host a website for free on GitHub. No hosting fees, no coding changes, just push and publish.